Hello, dear tutor. Good afternoon. I am Carlos Andrés Marin Solarte. I am 26 years old. I am from Cali, and I live Cali in the house. There I live with my parents. I am a student. I work in the Agrarian Bank. I am a student of the Business Administration at UNAD. I like Romeo Santos music and enjoy going to the movie theater. My favorite movie is Dragon Super. I am going to talk about the technology and its effects on the environment. Let's start. One of the negative effects of the technology on the environment in the distribution and combustion of the natural gas. Such a machine and the production of the gas is one of the causes of the greenhouse effects, global warming, and climate change. The cure became worse than the disease because the natural gas production one and easier to stock and they decrease the levels of CO2 that affect the atmosphere. I consider technology is going to make a try with the clean energies to reduce the impact of pollution. I am not sure if this is going to be enough because people has been absorbed by consumerism and the bad habits with the weight separation. I recommend that every person teach children what's lesson. The importance of trees motivate children to plant. I look after one tree. If everyone does this, the planet will be reforested in the future. But even better than these children will grow on these carbon dioxide levels will decrease. I wish the greenhouse effects.